In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your pay details on Gusto Payroll. To get started, sign in to your Gusto account and open the employee profile you want to update. Make sure you're working on the correct employee before making any changes, since compensation updates can affect payroll records and future pay runs. Once you're inside the employee profile, go to the Pay section from the Profile menu. This is where Gusto stores the employee's compensation information, including their pay structure, job title, and wage details. In the Compensation section, click Edit to open the Edit Compensation window. This is the area where you'll make all of the updates. Take a moment to review the current information before changing anything, especially if you're updating details that will apply to upcoming payroll. Next, update the employee type using the drop-down menu. Choose the compensation type that matches the employee's pay arrangement, such as hourly or salary. This step is important because it determines how the employee's wages are handled within payroll. After that, edit the job title. You can select an existing title if one already fits, or click Create Job Title to add a new one. Keeping job titles accurate helps maintain clean records and can also make reporting easier later on. If needed, update the job start date. This should reflect the correct effective date for the employee's role or compensation setup. Be careful here, since dates can impact how changes are tracked in the system. Then move on to the wage frequency and choose the correct option from the drop-down menu. This setting tells Gusto how often the employee's wages are calculated or paid, so it should match your payroll setup. Now, enter the updated wage amount. This could be a new hourly rate or a revised salary amount, depending on the employee type you selected earlier. Double-check the number before continuing to avoid payroll mistakes. If applicable, add the employee's default weekly hours. This step is optional, but it can be useful for hourly employees or for keeping compensation records more complete. Next, enter a reason for the change. This creates a clear record of why the employee's compensation details were updated, which can be helpful for internal tracking and future reference. When everything looks correct, click Save to apply the changes. Gusto will update the employee's compensation details based on the information you entered. Finally, go back to the employee's pay section and verify that the updated compensation information has been saved successfully. Review each field carefully to confirm the changes are accurate and complete. Thanks for watching.